everyone, welcome back to the Auto Mags Pro. Today review of the all-new 2025 Buick Motorhome. Buick's bold return to the motorhome space, blending luxury, tech, and comfort into one seriously impressive rolling home. Hey everyone, today we're diving into the 2025 Buick Motorhome, a high-end RV that brings Buick's premium DNA to the road-tripping world. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or new to van life, there's a lot to love here. Let's start with design. The 2025 Buick Motorhome carries a sleek, modern look, far from your boxy RV stereotype. With sculpted body lines, flush-mounted LED lighting, and an aerodynamic roofline, it's as stylish as it is functional. You get 22-inch alloy wheels, adaptive headlights, and a signature illuminated Buick grille, giving it that unmistakably premium look, even at a campsite. Inside, it's pure luxury. The cabin feels like a five-star suite on wheels. Plush leather seating, real wood trim, ambient lighting, it's all here. There's room to sleep up to 4 adults, thanks to a convertible lounge area and a retractable queen bed in the rear. You've got a fully equipped kitchen with an induction cooktop, convection microwave, and a dual-zone fridge. There's also a full wet bath, and yes, the shower has Bluetooth speakers built in. Tech-wise, this motorhome shines. A massive 15-inch central touchscreen handles infotainment, navigation, and even motorhome-specific functions like water levels, generator control, and slide-outs. There's built-in Amazon Alexa and Apple HomeKit integration, so you can voice control lights, climate, or even start your coffee maker. Plus, 5G connectivity ensures you stay online, even in remote areas. Under the hood, the 2025 Buick Motorhome runs on a Duramax 3.0L turbo diesel paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, offering 305 horsepower and impressive torque for hauling all your gear. Despite its size, it handles surprisingly well. Buick's adaptive air suspension keeps the ride smooth over rough roads, and the lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise, and 360-degree camera make it feel more like an SUV than a full-size RV. It also comes with an optional plug-in hybrid powertrain, giving you short-range electric driving, perfect for campgrounds or city navigation with zero emissions. What really sets the 2025 Buick Motorhome apart? It's the luxury-first philosophy. While most motorhomes are utility-focused, Buick adds refinement. Quiet tuning insulation, biometric cabin controls, and a built-in workspace with a flip-out monitor and 5K webcam, it's built for the modern Nomad. The 2025 Buick Motorhome isn't just about getting from point A to B, it's about how you get there. With high-end design, smart tech, and a smooth driving experience, it's redefining what a luxury RV can be. If you're in the market for a motorhome that feels more like a mobile penthouse, this one's worth a serious look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know, would you take the 2025 Buick Motorhome on your next adventure?